everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we got a special treat for you. We're gonna make these amazing Reuben burgers. St. Patrick's Day is not too far off, and so today we're gonna start our new burger creation series with this Reuben burger. So let's go see how this all comes together. We're gonna go over all of the components of this Reuben burger, which I think is gonna be awesome. And it kind of reminds me of those burgers from Burger Box. Those I know can tend to be a little pricey and out of everyone's budget. So I thought we would start doing some burgers that you could do at home that we're not gonna bust the bank. And we're gonna start with this one. This is a Reuben burger, and with St. Patrick's Day on the way, I thought this might be a fun little riff on our corned beef dinner. So we have, I have a half a dozen third-pound burgers that we pattied up in my my hamburger patty maker, and they have a hole in the middle so that they don't get like a golf ball when they're on the grill. Rick's gonna take these outside and he's gonna grill them. And before we go further, I want to let you guys know I've been crafting, so that's why my fingers have ink stain on them. So that's, it cannot be avoided. Washed my hands a half a dozen times, so you know, it's just that way. But we have our burgers. This is 80-20 chuck, ground chuck. That's the only thing I make hamburgers out of because that's my preference. And then we're gonna just kind of build how we think it would be if we were making a Reuben sandwich. So I cooked up a very small corned beef that I got for like $6 at the grocery store today, threw it in the pressure cooker, and I just cooked it in some plain water. You can cook it in beer, you can cook it in apple cider, your preference, up to you, but I cooked it, I cooled it, I sliced it as thin as I could, and we're gonna put that on top of our burger, and then we're gonna melt some Swiss cheese on top. We're gonna put it on this pretzel bun, which I got from Lidl, and you saw these in our Lidl bakery haul. These are really, really good, guys. They taste just like a soft pretzel. And then we're gonna top this off with some sauerkraut, which I've just heated slightly, and some homemade Thousand Island dressing. And this is my go-to Thousand Island. I'll leave a link down below where you can find the video of how I make this. It's a very old video, so don't be scared. It just gives you the good information. So what we're gonna do now is Rick's gonna go grill these burgers up, and then when we come back, we're gonna build our Reuben burger and show you what it looks like. Okay, our burgers are done, and it's time to build our Reuben burger. First thing I wanna do is I just wanna put a little Thousand Island on the bottom bun. Then we're gonna take our burger that's been grilled, and the Swiss cheese has been melted, and I'm probably gonna need my spatula. That was silly.
And your fingers.
And my fingers. It's all right, Rick doesn't mind.
Nope.
Okay, and then we're gonna take our corned beef. You can put as much or as little on here as you like. I think that is probably perfect. Then I think I'll put some more Thousand Island. Just like that, and some sauerkraut. This is some angel hair sauerkraut that is really good. It's really mild. It's not too sour.
That looks delicious.
Doesn't that look awesome?
Mm.
Definitely something I think a lot of you will want to try. And there you have it. There is your Reuben burger. Just like that. I mean, doesn't that look awesome? Okay, I'm gonna go get some fries and then see about tasting this. There you have it. There's our amazing Reuben burger. I can't wait to taste it. I know Rick is ready to taste it. Well, you want to taste it? I'll take the camera. You got to taste it.
Mash it first.
You got to mash it?
A little bit.
And then you got to taste it. You got to get that hunch going. Messy.
Mm-hmm. That is delicious.
I can't wait to try it.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to take the camera back?
So you tried it?
No, well, no, I don't know. I don't know. That's a Micah answer, isn't it?
Yes. That is delicious.
Oh my goodness.
You gonna want one?
Probably. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You all gotta try this.
You guys.
You really gotta try this.
If you like Reuben sandwiches, you gotta try this. Oh my goodness. Now look, I pressure cooked my own corned beef because for me, budget-wise, I found a small flat end corned beef for like $6. And it was small.
But they can get from the deli.
But you can just go to the deli and ask them to slice you a quarter pound or a half a pound or however much, because the deli corned beef tends to run around $10 a pound, and I can cook my own cheaper. So that's what I did. I also could have used my home canned corned beef. That would have been like shredded almost, and that would have been fine too. But man, is this good. You know, sometimes you put some things together and you don't know how they're going to turn out, but this is really incredible. You are going to love it. I hope you give it a try. I hope you liked today's video. And if you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, welcome. It's always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and go down and hit the bell notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we always present right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I definitely hope you give this Ruben burger a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya!